Hi friends, so here is my new Raspberry Pi 5 8 GB version that I purchased, and today I'm going to show you how this Raspberry Pi case for Pi 5 is fitting, whereas I already have an active cooler and this comes with another cooler inbuilt inside the box, and how it's going to fit. So let's unbox it. It was easy. So this one is what going to be stuck here if I put it inside. So let me open this. So these are the 3 layers in the box, and this comes with all the heatsink and other stuffs. Oh yeah, I want this one. So I don't want this heatsink because I already have the active cooler with everything. So I'll keep it back. And even this fan is what I don't want. So what I want is these 4 items. Now, what is this in the corner? Oh, this indicator light. So obviously this is the indicator light that should face towards that part, and the rest of the things will be in this side. So how it's going to fit? Oh, I think everything fit well already. And now if I try to fit like this and see, it's not fitting well. So what I will do is I'll try to remove this. If it is removable, then I am good. Let's see. Without breaking anything, they must have thought about this situation, that somebody would have already purchased the genuine active cooler from them and still want to use this colorful case. Oh yeah, it's out, and now I have this. And then this 2 side is not fitting somehow. What happened? Oh, something is fitting and something is coming out the other side. Oh no, both side is done. Yeah, nicely fitted. So this is the one side, this is the other side, and keeping the top open, or should I take this fan out and keep it back? So let me try to take the fan out. It is doable, and yeah, that's out. And then I can put it back like this, and no, that's not possible. Yeah, that's not possible. It's going to hit the fan, going inside the fan. Now that will be too much asking, or anytime. No. The heatsink is also blocking the other side. So yeah, definitely I cannot fit this one. But anyway, without that I can fit at least this one. This side. Yeah, and there is a slight gap in middle. I believe it is for the heat to dissipate out, because we are already blocking from all the directions. And this guy inside that fan is trying hard to pull it down, and we are blocking from all the sides. So that's not fair for that guy. And this is, I think, what they had find a way out. Okay, so yeah, that's all about this settings. And with that, this is the authentic power adapter from Raspberry Pi. Let me power it up and see how the indicator light comes through this. And yeah, see, it was first red and then green. Fan started moving, and then I can feel it by touching this. And I have a Ethernet cable. I can move this fan on our side, and connect this Ethernet cable to the jack. And once I do that, okay, so to check the temperature, I'll go to the command prompt or shell and then control be larger to see, and the command is vc gen c vc 39.5 38.9 39. So we can do some CPU intensive work and see how it is performing, but with the case and without the case, that kind of thing would have helped, and that I have seen already somebody has done in the YouTube. You can check there. So here is the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it and you got some information about it. Any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.